Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Barine's Kitchen. Today I want to show you how I make my special noodles. So guys, the first thing you do is set a pot on fire and let the water start boiling. Once it start boiling, turn off the heat. Don't add any other stuff apart from your noodles. So I'm using 4 packets of noodles for this recipe. So I'm going to just put everything in the hot water. It has already been turned off. I turn off the heat and then make sure that the water coats on it properly, and then I'll cover it for about 5 minutes and I would sieve it out and set aside. And afterwards I'll put my pot on fire, 1 cooking spoon of vegetable oil, and then my chopped onion. I'm going to saute this for about 2 minutes and then I'm going to add my blended pepper. So guys, I like pounding my pepper with mortar. So I've just pounded 4 Scotch pepper. I like my indomie spicy, so I've just pounded 4 Scotch bonnet and I'm going to steam that until it looks like this. And afterwards I'm going to pour in my chicken that I've already cut into tiny pieces. I'm going to just leave everything in there and add 1 sachet of my spice from the noodles, and I'm going to allow this to simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes, and in that process it builds up flavor and it gives it a nice taste. Afterwards I'm going to add my chopped tomato. This is about 2 medium size of tomato that I chopped into tiny pieces. I'm going to just stir everything nicely and I'm going to add a little bit of water to make the sauce to look really nice, just to loosen the sauce up a bit. And afterwards I'll leave it, cover it and allow it to simmer. Once the oil starts floating on top, it means it's ready. I'm just going to go ahead and pour my noodles inside of this goodness. Stir everything nicely. Now after stirring everything nicely, I'm going to be adding the seasoning from the indomie. I'm using 4 indomies, and I've already used 1 seasoning, so we are left with 3. I'm going to be adding 1 at a time, and once I add, I'm going to stir everything until I'm done adding the 3 seasoning, just to make sure that it's well generally coated on all the noodles. And I'm going to still add a little bit of water to just cook that seasoning and make sure that all the ingredients is well incorporated. So guys, I'm using sweet corn and I'm using hot dog. I've already cut the hot dog into very small pieces so my kids will be able to eat it. So right now I'm just going to leave it to cook a little bit with the water that I just added, and afterwards I'm going to add my sweet corn and then my hot dog and stir everything nicely. To all my old subscribers, I want to say thank you for always being here, and for those new ones that are just watching, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I really appreciate you all. Guys, the best thing to eat with this for me is Hollandia yogurt. So I actually took this with Hollandia yogurt and it was super nice. Thank you so much and God bless you all. Enjoy the rest of the video.